Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Ito po ang inyong lingkod si Dr. Arlie at gusto ko pong i-share yung aking konting kaalaman tungkol sa New You Life kung paano po natin maaabot yung ranko na coach rank within 3 months. And then yung ideal goal natin, ma-achieve natin yung diamond rank within 12 months. At ito po ay to support yung Pinoy Millionaire Movement na inumpisa natin dito sa Pilipinas itong Hunyo ng 2025 na mamulat po yung kamalayan ng bawat Pilipino na we can achieve better health and financial freedom. So pag nag-evaluate po tayo ng isang opportunity, we make a comparison and the opportunity can be compared as good, better, and best. And then probably from the point of being exceptional. So, uumpisa natin yung comparison sa mga product. Lahat naman ng product okay eh. But when you make a certain, let's say, point of comparison, products can appear better and even be the best. So, always start by evaluating the product. Pangalawa po, i-evaluate natin yung kumpanya. Kasi pag okay ang product, dapat okay ang kumpanya. And then, pag okay ang product tsaka kumpanya, ang sunod na titingnan natin yung timing ng opportunity. And then, huli po ang kitaan mga kaibigan. Kaya sa akin palagay, kung inuuna natin ang kitaan, cheque, kotse, mansion, and others, without yet mentioning or emphasizing the vital importance of having a good product, a good company, and a good, let's say, timing opportunity, mukhang hindi dapat uunahin natin ang marketing plan. Huli ang marketing plan. Pag okay ang product, okay ang company, okay ang timing din, okay, pag-usapan natin ang marketing plan o kaya kitaan. Ngayon, pagdating sa produkto mga kaibigan, ang goal natin yung sinasabing gold mine product. Ito po yung sinasabing entrepreneur's dream. Bawat negosyante naghahanap ng produkto o kaya service na could be the best. So, yun ang gold mine product. So, ang unang element mga kaibigan, yung uniqueness ng product or service. The more unique, the better. Di po ba? Pangalawa, kung exclusive. Kasi kung madali naman makuha, bilisan mo, makukuha pala ng iba eh. And then, kung maari, hindi makopya. Kasi unique nga, exclusive nga eh. Kung madali naman makopya, parang wala rin. And then kung maaari po consumable kasi minsan lang ang trabaho, minsan lang ang paliwanag, nagustuhan, laging buibili. And we can start where we are and we can expand globally. So if we have a product or service that fulfills this basic requirement, that's a gold mine opportunity. And then, ang titingnan natin ang kumpanya. Pagdating sa kumpanya, ang titingnan natin yung track record, yung kanyang sales, and then the ability to expand globally. At kung maaari, US-based company kasi generally speaking, pag US-based company, mukhang medyo okay na kasi mabigat po pagka ang kumpanya sa US nanggaling. And then kung health product po mga kaibigan, kung maaari, FDA registered yung manufacturing facility. At sa Amerika, mahigpit yan. So, dadaan ka sa karayom just to qualify. Di okay na yung product and company, yung timing. Yung sinasabing big wave and always be in front of the big wave. And then, sabi nga po, timing is everything. Timing may be the only thing. And then, merong momentum advantage. Kaya pag may buwelo, di sumabay na po tayo. And then, huli nga po yung marketing plan. So, yung aking pong suggestion, yung aking pong suggestion mga kaibigan, yung USED formula, ang ibig sabihin niyan, we use the product, we become the product of the product, ika nga. And we should be paid for doing so. And then, or we have the opportunity of doing it so. And then when we share our story, and we share our story to educate, and then we duplicate the process, the marketing plan should support us in doing this formula. Ngayon, gusto ko pong i-share sa inyo ang isang opportunity, and I would like to share with you the elements why this opportunity has an exceptional product. It has an exceptional company, exceptional po ang timing, and exceptional po yung marketing plan. Sariling opinion ko po ito mga kaibigan. So, just consider it if you like. Uh, just make a point of comparison if it's something that can be useful, bakit po hindi. So una, yung exceptional product na aking nakita, yung Somaderm, flagship product po ng New You Life, 9 million na po nabenta niya during the past 7 years, and it's considered the world's first FDA-registered homeopathic transdermal gel na pinapahid lang po sa derma, kaya nga dermal, o kaya sa balat. Pag na-absorb, iikot po yan sa circulation. Pag tama sa brain, it will trigger the pituitary gland to balance the hormones of the body. Kaya, it is considered the world's first FDA-registered homeopathic transdermal gel to support normal body hormonal balance. At gawa po ito sa Amerika under the strict FDA-approved GMP facility, Good Manufacturing Practice facility. At yung company mga kaibigan, yung New You Life, the Hormone Health Company, based po yan sa Utah, USA. Ang mission statement niya is to promote hormonal health and to be the leading company to promote hormonal health. And na-achieve na po niya mga kaibigan yung first $1 billion sales in 5 years, and she is now FDA registered, sharing the blessings of Somaderm in 16 countries. Kaya ang timing mga kaibigan is that 100 countries will be opened in the coming future. And nasa 16 pa lang, so the best time to take advantage of this opportunity is now. And then dito po sa Asia, bubuksan po ang Vietnam, Philippines, Indonesia, in process na po. Kaya nga, now is the best time to, let's say, take notice of this opportunity. Kaya nga, exceptional timing po is to be in front of the big wave. At sabi nga po natin, timing is everything, and it can be considered the only thing. Ngayon, pagdating sa marketing plan mga kaibigan, ang ganda ng marketing plan niya, it has the unique combination of retail sales, kung gusto mo lang mag-retail, direct sales, kung gusto mo mag-direct selling, and then group sales. Ngayon, sa kanyang group sales po, meron siyang binary system, left and right group, o kaya team commissions. Ang unique feature mga kaibigan, walang flash out, infinite dip. However, the payout is weekly and maximum is only $20,000 per week. For example, kikita ka ng $30,000. $20,000 ang ibibigay sa iyo sa system. Paano yung $10,000? Sa ibang system, flash out yun. Ito hindi. It will be paid the following week until it's fully paid. So, per week is $20,000, so $80,000 per month. That's about $1 million in a year's time. And then, yung matching bonus, unique po yan mga kaibigan, kasi lahat ng direct mo, maski saang leg siya, kung ano yung kanyang team commission o kaya binary commission, you can get a matching bonus income. And then, meron pong momentum bonus and many more. So, just get in touch with the person who shared you this to get more details. Ngayon, ang gusto ko pong makita natin, yung formula. Kasi nangako po tayo how to become coach in, let's say, 3 months time and a diamond in, let's say, 12 months time. So, since ang compensation plan niya is on a weekly basis, so we have now 12 weeks, right? And then, binary po, you have two groups, one on the left, one on the right. So, the simple equation is to join the AutoShip program and then find two people to do what you did. Kaya nga, one on the left, one on the right, and do this in 1 week, right? And then teach them to do the same duplication. So, for example, you have to find, sponsor, train, motivate 2 people into the auto-ship program. Ibig sabihin ng auto-ship, you make a commitment to take the, let's say, product every month. Kasi may option na you can buy anytime, pero may presyo yon. Pero if you make the commitment to regularly take it every month, the price becomes more affordable. Yun yung auto-ship program. So, be into auto-ship and find 2 people to do the same. And do this in 1 week. And we will teach you in a little why how you can do it. Basta yan ang equation. If you can do that, then it's possible to become coach in 8 weeks and diamond in 12 weeks. Ngayon, kung ang power of 2 duplication would be, let's say, monthly, then that's 8 months to 12 months. So, yun po yun, ano? So, 1 on the left, 1 on the right, power of 2. So, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 1, 2, 6, 2, 5, 6, 5, 1, 2, 1024, and 2048 on one side. And then the process is repeated, duplicated on the other side. Ayos ba, mga kaibigan? Ngayon, ito po yung specific activity na pwede natin gawin. Kasi hindi ito yung pumosisyon ka lang, wala kang gagawin. Hindi ito get rich quick scheme. Uh, you have to do the work, and there are 8 steps that you have to do. 8 activities that has to be done every day. And doing anything else, sabi nga ng mga experts, would be a waste of time. So what are the specific activities that can lead to income? For example, step 1 is to make a list of 300 to 3,000 names. So more names, more possible income. Less names, less income. No names, no income. Kaya nga may connection sa income. And then from your list of names, you make contact. And you make contact at the rate of 20 people every day. Kukontakin mo na sila to set an appointment for a presentation. Let's say to watch the video, to attend Zoom, or to do a presentation. So if this is done, then there will be income. If this is not done, there is no income. Kaya nga may connection po, mga kaibigan, sa income. So step 1, list of names. Step 2, making contact. Step 3, setting appointments. Step 4, doing a presentation with the assistance of your group or your uplines. Step 5, answer questions, not to sell, but to inform and to educate. And then if there are objections, we handle them properly. And then we close the sale, invite them to try the opportunity. And then we follow them up accordingly, thoroughly, if interested. So pag ginawa ito, mga kaibigan, and as we have shown in the previous slide, one can possibly achieve, let's say, coach in 3 months' time, or in 8 weeks to be exact, and achieve diamond in 12 months' time, 12 weeks to 12 months. So as long as the work is properly done, consistently and persistently. Ano yung consistency? Consistency. Be into auto-ship and find 2 people to do the same. Consistently do that in 1 week. And then be persistent for 8 to 12 weeks or 8 to 12 months. So that's it, my dear friends. And I hope this enlightened us to take advantage of this opportunity. So get in touch with the person who shared you this brief presentation, and ask more about Somaderm, and ask more about New You Life, the hormone health company.